What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is Dr. Hammerstack, and today we got a new interesting product in the house and introducing something here from Anker, and this is the Soundcore Aerofit Pro, which I'm actually very excited to check out because they do use an open ear system here for your earbuds, and I'm just very excited to test out that. So in today's video, what we're going to do is of course go through the key specs and features of these earbuds over here, and also just to do some testing for you guys before you make your purchase decision. So yes, without further ado, let's just get right into it. Alright, so just to let you guys know what you're going to get right off the box, so you do have the USB-A to USB-C cable for your fast charging. And also we do have the earbud strap over here, which is adjustable to different lengths, which we are going to test out in the later part. So this is what you can get, a nice Kevlar kind of strap here. And it does have the magnets attached on the bottom here as well. Now let's check out the earbuds. Alright, so here is the earbuds coming in a very nice case here. It is of course bulkier than your normal average earbuds case, but it isn't too big. And also, yeah, I think even if you want to put this into your pocket or your bag, you won't really take up a lot of space. I do like the white matte finish on it as well. Very clean, very minimalistic as well. And also you have the pairing button on the center here. So to take it out, it's very simple. Just slide it all the way open. And this is the earbuds over here. So we're going to have a closer look at each of them here. So this is the right side, and we have the button here, which you can customize these in the settings in your app here, the Soundcore app, which you can customize to give you certain functions. And also we have the strap and the ear hook piece on him as well. We also have the microphones on him, and also the magnets to attach this thing here to give you a nice fit on it. So this is what you're gonna get, really nice in case if you guys want to use it for your intense workout sessions here. So very flexible and also very lightweight, more importantly, because you're going to put it on your ear. You're going to do your workouts here. So it's very lightweight, nice clean finish. You also have your microphones and also your speakers on it as well. And like I mentioned before, this is an open ear design. So you're not going to have this silicone stuff that you're going to jam it into your ears. This is an open system over here, just glazing over your ears to give you that quality sound. So it's the same thing as well for the other side. And this is what you're gonna get. And of course, the case, like I mentioned, very simple. You have your button here for your pairing, and also your USB-C for charging here as well. Now, let's just move on to the next segment. Okay, and also one more thing I'll show you guys is how strong are the magnets. So you can see that I'm just shaking like mad over here, and it's not coming out at all because it's very strong in terms of the magnets here, so you don't have to worry about it. And of course, going on to the next segment here, which we are going to do is of course go on to your Soundcore app. So right now I am using an Android phone. I'm using a Honor Magic 6 Pro. You also can use it with your iOS devices here as well. You can download it from your Play Store. So what you're going to do is of course when you first time just use it, is just open up the case and also press the pairing button and then turn on the Bluetooth, and you guys will know this. Everything else is pretty much straightforward. And this is basically how the app would look like once you have connected it. So it's going to connect here. So you have a certain few functions that you can do here. So there's the control panels here. So you have single press and double press, and you can customize it on the left and right side here. So for me, I like to have the volume controls. So you can see here that in single press on the right side, it will go volume up, and a single press on the left side will give you the volume down, and also double press will give you next. And you can use other stuff here as well, voice assistant, previous, play, pause, in case if you guys want that. And also you can go on to the other side here as well. This one does have the play, pause, or you can go voice assistant. And also one more thing you'll notice is that there isn't any ANC in this because it does use an open ear system. So that's what you're going to get. And also you do have your sound effects here as well. So you have your spatial audio, which I have tested in my own usage of here over the past 1 week. And also we have the other kind of EQ settings that you can have here as well. You have the Soundcore signatures, treble boosters, some settings here that they have done for you customized, or you can do your own one here and give you your own ear tuning to your ears, and that's what you can get with that. Nothing much too other fancy with this. You also have your dual connections, auto power off, which is very important in case if you when they place it and just place it around, you don't want to waste some battery over there. And also you have your find device here as well. You can play the tune in case if you have lost any of your earbuds. And also you have your volume balance. You can go and choose which one would you prefer. Normally I choose one side, but for this video I'll put it on the equal side. And also sound mode here as well, LDAC, and this is what you're gonna get. So this is the app that we have here, and also you have your customer service in case if you guys need it. So now we're going to do a latency test and connection test here as well. So I'm just going to play something here. What is up, guys? So this is basically what is on here. And we'll see how fast does this connect. So right off the box, 1, 2, 3, about 3 seconds, and it gets the job done. And the left side also right into it, no lags whatsoever. And if I single tap, okay, you can see that the volume goes down. And if I double tap, it goes to the next track here. And then if I double tap on the other side, it will have the play pause. And if I single tap, volume up, and that's what you can get. So the response on this is very nice. Sound quality as well, I've been using it for the past 1 week for my music, for my movies. It's really good. Latency as well has been really amazing. So you're going to notice a lot of lags with this because it is very efficient, and also the connection is very stable here as well. And one thing I want to highlight to you guys is that the sound quality is really good, especially in case if you guys are using it for your gymming sessions. I think this is really nice because you can still be aware of the surrounding sound because it doesn't have the ANC feature, so it doesn't cut out the sounds around you. So it gives you very good quality sound. You can listen to your music or your podcast or whatsoever, but you can still be aware of your surroundings here. Alright, and so I just want to show you guys how to connect this to your neckband. So one thing you will notice with the neckband is that they have the color on the insides here. So it will coincide with the earbuds on each side. So you can see that here's red. So red would go with red as you would expect. So you just snug it in over here. And also we have the gray here, which does go on the gray side. So this is basically how you connect this to your neckband over here and give you a little bit more secure fit. And like I mentioned before, you can adjust it on the lengths over here depending on your comfort when you are doing your workout. Alright, so the Soundcore Aerofit Pro does go for 799 ringgit, which would place it at more of the premium range. And it does give you 2 years of warranty in most places where you buy it. So that's really cool. Right, and one more thing to note is that the earbuds here do have an official IPX5 rating. So you can use it definitely for your workouts or whatsoever. And like I mentioned before, when it comes to the sound quality, it's actually really good. And that is because it's held by the 16.2mm drivers over here, which is titanium coated. And of course, when it comes to battery, we have a large case over here giving you a total of 14 hours of music playback. And of course, with the case and all that, it will give you up to 46 hours of battery. So that's amazing. You don't have to worry about charging on it in case if you guys want to use it for your long workout sessions, or in case if you're on a long flight, you don't have to worry about the battery of the Aerofit Pro. Move on to the next segment here, which is the mic and fit test. Alright guys, so now we're doing a mic test and also a fit test on this. So I have the Sound Pros here, and also it does have the straps on me here as well. So you can see that it does give me a more secure fit. So I'm just going to do some light running here, and you can see that it's a lot of movement, shaking my head, in case if you guys are doing your head movements or whatsoever. And honestly, it feels one of the most secure things that I have had on my earbuds here. So you can see it fits in really nice. And now I'm going to take off the neckband, see how it fits. Okay, so these are with the neckband off on me over here. Still fitting in really nice. Okay, let's do a run test here just to see if I can shake. not coming out at all, and it feels very light, like I mentioned before. So it definitely feels very comfortable in my ears. I've been using it for some long periods of time again for some shows, so it works really nice and functions as is as advertised. And also let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about the mic quality on this as well when you're making your phone calls. So now let's move on to the next segment. Alright, so that is it with the Aerofit Pro, and of course what I think about it. To be honest, if you guys are looking for a good pair of earbuds and you want to have nice comfort, you want to get great sound quality as well, good connection, I think the Aerofit Pro over here does a really great job on it, because I know, especially for people like me, I don't really like the silicone thing that you have to jam it into your ear. I like the open ear design, and a lot of times I'm worried about whether it will fall off when I'm running or just walking or doing whatsoever. And I also do want great sound quality as well. And I really can say I actually am getting it here with the Aerofit Pro, because like I mentioned before, it does give me very good crystal clear sound, very crispy over here as well. The fit on this is definitely amazing because you don't have to worry about falling down. You can of course use the neck band here at the end of the day as well. So this is a really great buy in case if you guys are into a lot of your workouts or whatsoever, and I can't recommend this anymore. So yes, if you guys enjoyed this video and of course want to have any more questions on this, do let me know in the comment section down below, and also press the like and smash the subscribe button down below for more videos like this in the future. And also do follow me on my socials on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and so here on YouTube at Dr. Hammerstack, and I'll see you guys in the next one.